This is the Jordan 5 Fire Red. What's up guys, it's Gavin and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do an unboxing and a review of the newly released Jordan 5 Fire Reds. I got these on April 5 from Titan and it arrived to me 20 days later. The SRP is 9,895 pesos. An upper of white leather meets contrasting black on the midsole, while hits of fire red add blazing flavor to the lining, lace locks, and heel. MJ rocked this exact makeup on March 28, 1990, as an Ascendant squad from Chicago battled Cleveland, eventually winning in overtime thanks to a career-high 59 points from his airness. The Air Jordan 5 Retro delivers heritage style and modern comfort. It combines leather and fabric on its upper for durability and airflow, while a Max Air unit in the heel offers plush comfort. I love how they added the Nike Air at the back because it really gives off that OG vibe. I just wish they would have added the 23 here on this side so that it would look more like Michael Jordan's PE that he wore back in the day. We all know the history behind the shark teeth, which was inspired by the fighter planes. Another reason why I love these sneakers is because of the lower toe box that it has compared to its previous retros. The Jordan 5s are already sold out at Nike.com, but you can still get yours at Titan22.com. Thank you for watching. This is Gavin and please subscribe to my channel. Like this video and comment down below your thoughts on the Jordan 5 Fire Red. Stay safe everyone.